Yeah, I just saw him pull out. Gotta do a quick update on the building. We got Bob the painter. He just stained the outside. Now he's doing the trim work.
Howdy, howdy.
Looks nice. What the guy in the yellow truck want? Did he say?
He didn't. He was just looking for Parker, and I didn't recognize him.
Oh, I wonder who that was. That trim. That looks nice.
Yeah, we're gonna get primer on it hopefully today on the trim.
Yeah. You're going to try and get the gutters in next week, and then you're going to do the stone, hopefully next week. Awesome.
It's going to look great.
Oh, man. It looks really great.
Gotta take advantage of all these dry days we got right now.
Don't get too many good days like this.
Not this time of year.
Well, they got the walls are coming in next week. They're going to start framing up the inside walls. We've got the plywood coming for the east and south walls. That'll be done next week, and then they're going to take and put metal siding on it. The doors will be in. The doors are in, and we're going to try and get the doors installed next week, but we got to get the siding up first so we don't end up with the wind tearing the doors up. That bottom part's going to be all stonework. That's going to be done next week. They're going to try and get all the stonework across the front, get the doors in, and we can start putting trucks inside and lock them up at night.